Hello everyone. Welcome to the first of my video series, ELA Today. I'm Teacher Rita. Yes, that's me. In the ELA Today series, you will find videos on English grammar, writing, and punctuation. In today's lesson, we will discuss the 8 parts of speech. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will know when I have published a new video. Now let's get started. If you are monologuing, one person alone speaking, dialoguing, speaking with someone else, or writing in English, you will be using one or more parts of speech. The 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. You will learn the definition of each part of speech and see examples for each one. The noun. Definition. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples. A person, woman. A place, city. A thing, computer. And an idea, friendship. The pronoun. Definition. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. There are several types of pronouns that will have to be discussed in other videos. But to give you a few examples, 2 types of personal pronouns are subject pronouns that act as a subject in a sentence. These are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And object pronouns that act as an object in a sentence. And these are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Here are 2 sentence examples. She is a doctor. She is the subject pronoun. He helps her. Her is the object pronoun. The adjective. Definition. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Examples. Lazy. The lazy boy ignores his parents. The adjective lazy modifies or describes the noun boy. Artistic. The man is artistic. Artistic is the adjective describing the noun man. Stormy. The weather was stormy all night. Stormy is the adjective describing the noun weather. Angry. He was angry today. Angry is the adjective describing the word he, which is a pronoun. The verb. Definition. A verb is a word that shows action or a state of being. There are different types of verbs and many verb tenses. But today's examples include the present tense. Play. The verb play is an action verb in the present tense. They play basketball. To be. The verb to be is a verb that shows a state of being. Some of its forms are am, is, are, was, and were. An example: she is tired. Notice there is no action here. The subject she simply has a state of being tired. The adverb. Definition. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb will answer the questions how, where, when, how much, or how often. Let's look at two examples. Gently. Tessa gently stroked the dog's fur. Gently is the adverb, modifying the verb stroked. This adverb tells how. Now one more. Very is an adverb. The graduates are very intelligent. Very is the adverb, modifying the adjective intelligent. This adverb tells how much. The preposition. Definition. A preposition is a word that links nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence. Let's look at one common example. The preposition in. Example sentence. John sat in the car. Again, the preposition is in. So now the subject noun John is linked to the word car in the sentence. One more thing. The preposition with the words that follow is called a prepositional phrase. Some other common prepositions are on, at, for, and to. The conjunction. Definition. A conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, or clauses. The most common examples of conjunctions are the coordinating conjunctions called fanboys. Fanboys is an acronym that stands for the conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So, let's look at an example sentence. Ice cream and cookies are delicious. The conjunction and is linking the two words ice cream and cookies. We made it to number 8, the interjection. Definition. An interjection is a word that shows emotion or other exclamation. It can be a part of a sentence or stand alone, like these examples. Other examples may be, oh, you scared me. Oh is the interjection. Or, well, I didn't mean to. Well is the interjection. Well, there you have it, the 8 parts of speech. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Teacher Rita. Bye for now, and I will see you on the next video of ELA Today.